Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Sheikh Wasim sir, an assistant teacher of Al Mahmud International School, Nakuna. How are you, students? Hope you are well. And I hope you are studying at home. Yes, am I right? Very good, then, students. Very good. Who are studying at home. And the students who are not studying, they will start studying. Okay. So, dear students, in last video, we have started the new lesson, lesson number 5. What is the name of the lesson? A present for G2. What is the name of the lesson? A present for G2. Present means price. Present means price. Okay. Present. Present for JITU G2. Learn the heading. A present for G2. Okay. And we have started reading. Today we will take reading. Okay. First I will read, then you have to repeat after me. Got it? See. A post. Let's start. A postman knocks on the door. Jitu's house. Does Jitu Rao live here? I have a packet for him. I have a packet for him. I am Jitu. I am, it is a I apostrophe and M. It is a short form of I am. Okay. Got it? I am. I am Jitu. SIGN sign. HERE here. Sign here. Yes. Jitu writes his name. The postman gives him a packet. Did you write? Did you repeat? Yes, repeat after me, okay? And try to understand what is given in this lesson, okay? Next page. See you on next page. Yes. Yes, next page. See you on next page. What is WHAT? What is is what is in this the THIS this what is the what is in this PACKET packet. What is in this packet? Dad. What is in this packet? Dad. May maybe it apostrophe and s it's a short form of it is. It's a short form of it is. Okay. Maybe it's maybe it is an elephant. Maybe it's an elephant. Okay. Are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. ELEPHANT fund elephant. Maybe it's an elephant. Okay. Next. See in next box. Okay, in this box. Mother comes in. COMES comes. Mother comes in. No, it's TOO. No, it's two. SMALL small. No, it's too small. Yes, are you repeating? Repeat after me. No, it's too small. To be an elephant. To be an elephant. Maybe. Maybe it's a FOOT foot BALL ball. Maybe it's a football. Maybe it's a football. Okay. See next box. JITU apostrophe and S G2's Y-O-U-N, young, G-E-G-E-R, younger. Understand? Younger. Jitu's younger. S-I-S, sis, T-E-R, ter, sister. Jitu's younger sister. Jitu's younger sister. Okay. Repeating? Yes, repeat after. Jitu's younger sister. M-I-L-U, Milu. S-E-E-S, sees. Jitu's younger sisters. Jitu's younger sister. Milu sees. H-I-M, him. Sees him. W-I-T-H, with the packet. Jitu's younger sister Milu sees him with a packet. Okay, this is Milu. Okay, and she is a sister of Jitu. Okay, this is Jitu. Got it? See. So Jitu's younger sister Milu sees him with a packet. Now she is telling. Now Jitu is telling, no, it's it is T-O-O-2. It is too long, long. It is too long. And Thin, thin. Thin, 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 patla. Okay. TO2 BE, to be a FOOT, foot, BALL, ball, to be a football. No, it is too long and thin to be a football. Maybe, MAMABEB, maybe it's a pencil. PEN, pen, CIL, sil, pencil. Maybe it's a pencil. CAS, case. Maybe it's a pencil case. Maybe it's a pencil case. Okay, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. See, next box. Okay, in this box, HIS, his. FRIEND, friend. His friend. KITU, Kitu. His friend Kitu. SAYS, says. His friend says. Now Jitu is telling, maybe it's a pencil case. Okay, and who is Jitu? Yes, Jitu is sister of, yes, Milu is sister of Jitu. This is Milu. Okay, and she is sister of Jitu. Okay, so Milu is saying, maybe it is a pencil case. Okay, his friend Kitu. Who is his friend? Yes, Kitu. What is the name of Jitu's friend? Kitu. Kitu says, okay, now see, NOT, no, it's mean it is, no, it is TOO2. Okay, this is 2 also, and this is TOO2. Okay, so this 2. Okay, no, it's too big to be a pencil case. A pencil case. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. Okay, and try to understand what is given in this lesson. See, maybe, MAY, may, BEB, maybe, IT apostrophe and S, it's, maybe it's flute. FLUTE, flute. Flute means bansuri. Okay, she is Kitu. Okay, and she is Milu. Okay, you can see Kitu is wearing blue. Okay, blue shirt. See, maybe it's a flute. Next, see, in next page, in next box. Okay, no, IT apostrophe and S, no, it is 2, TOO2. It is 2, HEAV, heavy, HEAVY, heavy. No, it's too heavy to be a FLUTE. What is that? Flute. Flute. FLUTE, flute. FLUTE, flute. Flute means basuri. Okay, see, No, it's too heavy to be a flute. Okay, see, open it. Now his father came there with scissor. Okay, see, open, open, it, open it, says, says, open it, says, father, understand, father, open it, says father, let apostrophe and s, let's mean let us. Okay, it's a short form of let us. Okay, it's a short form of let us. Let's see mean let us see. What's it's a short form of what is. Okay, what apostrophe and s, what's mean what is, wate what, is what is. It's a short form of what is. What's in the, parcel, parcel, parcel. Okay, what's in the parcel, parcel, parcel. What's in the parcel, got it. See next, Jitu opens it. Here you can see. Now repeat after me. Jitu, Jitu, opens, opens, it, opens it. Jitu opens it. Yes, are you repeating? Yes, repeat after me. Okay, see next page. Jitu opens it. So dear students, you have to read this whole lesson. In next video we will read and understand next page. Okay, got it. You have to read 3 times this lesson with spelling and without spelling. Got it. Dear parents, please help your ward to read this lesson sequentially. Okay, got it. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.